Today, I'm making a deeply nourishing okra gel, a natural conditioner packed with sleep, shine, and hydration. This gel is perfect for detangling, strengthening, and moisturizing the hair. And the entire process is very simple, clean, and completely natural. I begin by gathering my fresh okra pods. Okra is known for its rich, mucilaginous texture, that thick, slippery gel it naturally produces. That gel is full of vitamins from vitamin A, C, and K, plus folates and antioxidants that deeply nourish the hair. Just holding the pods, you can feel how firm and fresh they are, perfect for extracting a rich, smooth gel. I place them on the cutting board and begin slicing them into even pieces. Each slice reveals that sticky, moisturizing interior, a sign of how nourishing the final gel will be. If you don't want to go through the process of cutting, you can use your blender as alternative. With everything cut, I transfer the okra pieces. I pour in just enough for the water and release as much gel as possible. As the water boils, the okra starts releasing its natural gel. Slowly, the liquid grows thicker, turning from clear water into a glossy, silky texture. This stage takes a few minutes, so I gently stir the pots to help everything cook evenly and to also prevent spill. As the okra simmers, I watch the consistency change. The water becomes richer, the pieces soften, and the gel becomes slippery. The mixture transforms into a nutrient-packed conditioner right before your eyes. I let it simmer until the texture reaches the perfect thickness, not too watery and not too heavy, but smooth enough to glide effortlessly through my hair. Once the gel is ready, I turn off the heat. Now it is time for me to strain the mixture. I place a fine mesh strainer. You can use a clean cloth over a bowl and pour the mixture through it. The gel drips slowly, thick and glossy, while the okra peels remain behind. I squeeze and press. I gently squeeze the remaining parts, making sure every drop of that nutrient-rich gel is extracted. This step always feels so satisfying, like watching the pure gel collect in the bowl, smooth and beautifully textured. Oh my god. After straining, the gel is ready. Some people like to add aloe vera, essential oils, or vitamin E, but today I'm keeping it simple and natural. The gel itself is moisturizing enough with a perfect balance of sleep nutrients and hydration. Next, I pour the gel into a clean applicator bottle, you can use a clean jar. The gel flows slowly, forming a thick, silky stream. Once inside the bottle, it looks glossy and fresh, completely homemade and completely natural. Now it's time for me to apply it to the hair. I start on damp hair, working in small manageable section. The okra gel glides through effortlessly, giving immediate sleep. It helps melt tangles, soften the strands, and adds a beautiful shine. And the internal moisture is so great that if you have curls, it's going to be divined instantly. If you think you have fussy hair, try this okra gel on your hair and see the type of curls that you have, because it's going to divine your curls. Like, oh my God. As I walk through the section, the strands begin to feel smoother and more hydrated. The gel coats each strand slightly without weighing it down. It is perfect for curls, for coils, for waves, and even straight hair that needs moisture and frizz control. I must I massage some of the gel into the scalp as well. Okra is soothing and nourishing, and the scalp absorbs the nutrients easily. With each section coated, my hair looks healthier, shinier, and more defined. After applying, I let the hair air dry and style as desired. The gel continues working, providing moisture throughout the day and giving the hair a soft, natural finish. If you want it to be a conditioner, you can add your conditioner to it, apply it to your hair, and wash it all after leaving it for few minutes. If you want it to be a deep conditioner, you can add your deep conditioner to the okra gel and you have your really nice moisture rich deep conditioner. If you want it to be shampoo, you can also add your shampoo to the okra gel and you have a detangling shampoo which will help you have an easy detangling process. And that is it, a simple natural okra hair gel made from just okra and water, yet rich enough to transform your hair care routine. Thank you for watching, and I hope this natural recipe brings your hair the moisture, softness, and shine it deserves. If you try this and it works for your hair, let me know in the comment section.